Hi guys, Debbie here. Welcome to my channel or welcome back. Today I've got another collab for you as part of my Debbie Does December. If you're not aware, I'm uploading every other day in December and a lot of the videos are going to be collabs, but there's going to be some other content too. Trying new makeup, ranking videos, all sorts of things actually. I'm not going to give everything away right now. But this one is a collab with my friend Deb, or MrsTheDoll, as you might know her on YouTube. And it's super exciting to me because I'm going to be trying a palette I've had for some time but I've never got around to using. So it's new to me. So it's kind of a first impressions, and it's a Christmas collab as well. So we're going to be using the Sweet Pinks palette by Juvia's Place just to create a festive look. So there's no rules around it. We haven't picked any shades that we're going to use. There's only 6 shades in here anyway. If you're not aware, that's what the palette looks like. So it's going to be a very monochromatic pink look. But I'm going to make it as festive as possible. That's my plan. So I've got a few other bits to try out in this video as well. So if you want to see the look come together, then please keep on watching. Okay guys, just before we get into the video, just a little bit about Deb's channel. So she does a lot of different things on her channel. She does the makeup tutorials and get ready with me's and try new makeup videos, all of the kind of things that I do. But she also does some lifestyle things as well. So she'll talk about what she's been reading or the Netflix shows that she recommends as well. So she's got a really rounded channel in that way. Lots to enjoy. I can't remember where I found her. So Deb, I hope you're going to say that in your video, and then it might jog my memory. But I think maybe it was when she commented on one of mine. I'm not entirely sure. But we're similar age to one another, and we just kind of, well, we met from doing YouTube, and I really enjoy her videos. I remember one particular one when we were talking about the pandemic and how we were feeling about it, and it sparked me to be very honest about how I was feeling at that time, because she keeps it very real on her channel, which I very much appreciate, and she's just so engaging to watch. Just like, I don't know, I find her quite softly spoken, relaxing. A lot of you have said that about me as well. So I think if you like my content, you will definitely enjoy Deb's content. So I'm going to leave her video and a link to her channel down in my description box. Please check it out. But let's get on with my look and what I'm going to do today. So what I'm going to do is, I've got the 3 new brushes from Kaleidos, which I got in PR. I'm going to try these out today. And I got both of the highlights. I got the new Mars Melt Roll. I'll feature that in another video, but I'm going to use the Space Age Prophecy highlight today, the multi-chrome one, which I'm really excited for. But so I thought I'd sneak those into this video because I'm going to struggle to cover everything I want to otherwise. And I think they will work really well with the kind of look that I'm planning to do. So in the set of these brushes, you've got a contour brush. It's the C1 or angled contour. And we're going to use that one first. And I'm going to use the Charisma contour, which I use in practically every video anyway. But that's the Charisma contour. I've shown it before. And it's in Cool and Light. And I'm just going to do a bit of contouring because I'm looking a little bit flat. I haven't got any contour on. I've done my lips, which are Kaleidos Makeup's Collision, which I featured in my top lipstick picks video that I did with Lisa Lobotomy, and I will link that up there for you so that if you want to check that out, you can see what other red lipsticks I like. But this is a very metallic one, which is why I thought it would go well with this look. But I love the shape of this brush because it's going to make contouring very easy. It's got that angled kind of shape, but it's not too skinny a brush, so you can blend out as well with it quite easily. In fact, that was just completely effortless, to be honest. I like that it's super soft. I've got all of the other brushes, the Space Age ones, the green ones, the eye brushes and the highlight brush, and I really enjoy those, really like using them. So I was very excited to see them bring out some new brushes. That's applying contour really easily. If you struggle to get your contour in the right place and to blend it out, which I'm not the greatest at, that has just been so easy. Picks up quite a lot of product, makes the product a little bit more like concentrated than some of the other brushes that I've got, but This is such a perfect contour colour for me that doesn't matter too much. Yeah, really like how that's applying. For blush today, I'm going to use the Hourglass Sublime blush, this one. I've used it once on camera before and it was so beautiful, and I think it's going to go so well with the look I'm planning with this Sweet Pinks palette. I'm going to use the blush brush, and this is their B1 brush, and it's an interesting shape for a blush brush because normally they're angled, the ones I prefer are, so I'm going to see how I get on with this one, but I think it's super soft again, so I think it's going to be good. Oh, actually it's fine. I'm trying to go a little bit higher with my blush than I normally do. I love this blush though. I love Hourglass blushes for the fact that you don't have to worry about how much you apply. Like, you never get that clown cheeks effect, and they're really buildable, but they're really, really pretty. I think this is the perfect pink on me. I'm not normally a fan of pink blush, but I love this one. Blush my nose as well, that sort of been out in the cold kind of thing, which I have been. It's really super frosty today. It's Sunday the 6th as I'm filming this, but it'll be the 7th when this video goes up. I've just been out for a walk in the frost, and it was freezing cold and dark outside, but really, really nice. On to the highlight then. I couldn't be much more excited about a highlight. I've seen everybody else do videos on this, and I knew it was coming in PR, and it's taken a long, long time to get to me, but I'm really excited to have it. This is the H2 highlight brush that I'm going to be using, and I've got their previous one. This one's just a bit shorter handle. All of these are shorter handle, but it looks pretty much similar brush, quite a dense brush, which I like for highlight. Oh wow, that is insane. Wow, it's green one way and it's kind of pinky the other way. I don't know if I can show you. It's impossible to do it justice, but it's, oh my god, you can see it's a lot more pink when I've got my head turned that way. Oh, this is a notice me highlight for sure. I'm going to highlight right up because this is not going to be a subtle makeup look. I'm intending to really Christmas this one up. That is so beautiful. Oh my word. Can you guys see that? I don't normally get that excited about a highlight, like when people go, wow, look at this highlight, like they've never seen highlight before, but I've never seen a highlight like this before. Alright, so I've scooched in a little bit so that we can concentrate on the eyes and you can see what I'm doing. So as I say, going in with this palette, the Sweet Pinks, and I've already primed with the MAC Painterly paint pot, and my plan is to do quite a pale look today. So I'm going to use this shade here, and I'm going to use this one. So that's predominantly the two colours I'm going to use. I'm going to steer away from the more raspberry tones and go for the lighter ones. And then I'm going to do a liner in a kind of complementary colour, I think. Haven't really decided quite what I'm going to do with the liner, but I'm not going to do a black liner today. As I say, I'm going to go in with this neon pink here, which looks so pretty. It's like candy Barbie pink. It's really, really stunning. And I'm going for quite a rounded shape because I'm going to achieve my kind of winged out shape with the wing liner. So I'm just packing that down and focusing it in my crease. But I don't want to do any kind of deepening up for this look. I want to keep it pretty and pink. And I went for the red lip because I don't ever do a pink eyeshadow look with red lips, but I thought it could look really pretty for Christmas. I had not the greatest experience with the Juvia's Violets palette, but this colour, wow. This is really, really pretty. Just going to make sure I've got the pigment as strong as I can, but as I say, I want a rounded shape. Let's go a little bit higher actually. And I think I'm going to use that Kaleidos highlight as a brow bone highlight. As I say, this isn't going to be a subtle look at all, it's going to be out there. Because I've done a lot of neutral makeup just lately, guys. I don't know if you've caught my other couple of videos that I've done for Debbie Does December, but I've been playing with golds and neutrals and I just wanted to get some colour on my eyes today. Just going to use the slightly paler shade here just to blend around the edges. As I say, I want to keep it more in the salmony, pinky kind of tones than the more raspberry ones today. Yeah, I think so far the tones in this one are my favourite of these mini Juvia's palettes, because they've not been my favourites and it's kind of turned me off of the brand a little bit, and I'm really not liking the look of the direction they're going with all the pressed glitters, because as you guys know, I'm not a fan of pressed glitter. So that's why I didn't pick up the Wahala palettes or the new Glow one, and I can't remember the name of the other one, but the two that came out at Christmas. I'm going to stamp that colour on my lower lash line, but close to my lashes. And then I'm not going to put any additional product on this brush, I'm just going to use the brush that I was blending out on the upper lids with, just to blend that out. Okay, going in with NYX Glitter Primer next. Have to do that. I want to make this shadow pop as much as possible that's going on my lid, and I'm going to pretty much take it from front to back of my lid, but not in a cut crease, just kind of just haphazardly done. And take that glitter glue slightly into my crease so I can bring the shimmer up fairly high, because I think that definitely looks more flattering on me. Wow, that's a pretty shade. Can you guys see that? So pretty. It's pretty much the same colour as the crease work, but in a shimmer, which I really don't mind. Juvia's Place do an amazing job with their shimmers. That's one thing that I love, and that's what's sad to me, that they've gone the pressed glitter route, because their shimmer formula is incredible. I think they need to do a Nabla and put their pressed glitters into a separate palette. That's what Nabla have done with like their latest couple of glitter palettes, and I think that's definitely the way to go for glitter, because there's people that love it. I love liquid glitters, but not a pressed glitter. But that looks pretty. Just going to catch up the other eye where the shimmer meets the matte. I'm just going in with my Hallberg 303. It's my favourite brush to kind of blend shimmer and mattes together, because it's quite stiff. It definitely helps that process so you don't get a sort of harsh line between the shimmer and the matte if you don't want that, and in this case I don't want that. Okay, so that's everything out of the palette. And I'm going to try to attempt something I've not done before. So I'm going to go in with Lethal Cosmetics white liner and try and do a white wing, and then we're going to top it with some Stila Glitter and Glow, and this one's in the shade Diamond Dust, because I wanted to just do something a little bit unusual. So this shade is called Buffer. It's one of their side effects gel liners. I've used it once, I think. I'm going to use the Wing Liner EO6 brush by Sigma, because it's got a very fine, precise tip to it. Probably won't be able to talk while I do this, so I'll play you some music and speed it up, but hopefully I can get a nice big wing going with this white liner. Right, so that's both eyes done. I did some of it off camera because it was taking ages to perfect it, and it has cracked a little bit, but we're going to top it anyway with some glitter, so that shouldn't be a problem. But change of plan, can't use the Stila when it's dried out too much, there's only a tiny bit left, so I'm going to use this Heavy Metal glitter liner from Urban Decay. This one's in the shade Midnight Cowboy. This is a gold. I don't have a silver by them, but I think it'll still look really, really pretty. So I'm just basically going to top the wing, pretty much just in the outer part of the wing though, and with that glitter. I don't like glitter too close to my eyeballs, so I think putting it just in the outer corner will be okay. It'll just give it a little bit of twinkle and sparkle on that wing there. Just going to take a tiny bit of it over the top and not too close to my eye, just to blend it in there. Okay, that's the look to this point. Just going to off camera to do my mascara and just finish everything off, and then I'll be back with you to show you the finished look. Okay guys, so here's the finished look. I finished it off just using BadGalBang mascara on my lashes, but plenty of that. And then the Space Age Prophecy from Kaleidos, the highlighter on my brow bone and in the corners. Yeah, and that's it done. Oh, and a bit more of the glitter because it transferred from my lids to my crease. So I decided I'll just go with that, and I'll put a bit more in my crease as well. So this is probably the most glitter you will ever see on my eyes. As soon as I finish filming this, I'm going to very carefully wipe it off because glitter scares the hell out of me. But it just looks so pretty, doesn't it? Glinting in the light there. So yeah, really enjoyed doing this one and getting my creative juices flowing, which you know I love to do. So yeah, super fun. Deb, thank you so much for reaching out and offering to collab. And I can't wait to see what you've done with the palette. I'm pretty sure it won't be this, but I can't wait to see what you've done in any case, and just to watch your videos. So guys, if you've not checked out Deb's channel, please do so. I'll have everything you need, as I say, linked down in my description box. And guys, just thank you to everybody that's been checking out my Debbie Does December videos. I see all of my regulars in there in the comments, and I just appreciate you so much. These haven't been very well watched videos for me at all, but they've probably been the most fun that I've ever filmed. So thank you so much for your support. Thank you for watching this one. And if you're new from Deb's channel, hi, welcome. I just have fun on my channel. I play, I do makeup looks like this. And I just love it. So if you want to join my little family, I would love to have you. We're a lovely supportive bunch down in those comments, and I think you'll have a good time watching my channel. So guys, that brings us to the end. I hope you're having a lovely day or night wherever you are, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye guys.